Hello guys, it's crypto updates once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how we are going to be making money from this particular site called ESN. So I'm going to teach you step by step how you are going to be making money from here. So all you need to do is go to the description of this video and click the link in the description, then it will load you to this page. So right here, you need to select your country code, which is here. Then when you select your country code, you type in your number, then you click on send verification to get the verification, then you put the verification right here. Click the link in the description, you're going to get this invitation code already here, so you don't need to stress yourself. So you can see here that says password. You need to put your password, then you enter the exact password you put there, then you click on register. As simple as that. So this is how to register on this particular platform. Remember, if you are not subscribed to my channel, do it to subscribe. And I've registered right here. I'm going to log in. If you didn't get what I'm saying, you can do it to watch the video again so that you can actually get the steps I followed to register in this platform. So I'm going to log in because I've registered here. So I'm going to show you what you need to do so that the tasks you need to be doing. So you can see here, actually I'm going to change my country code, enter my phone number. So that's what I'm going to do so that I can be able to log in. I said earlier, what I need to do is to change this country code, enter my phone number, enter password. Then I need to verify this actually. I need to make sure it is verified, then I will click on login. So I'm going to do it, then I will explain some things you need to be doing so that I can also get paid right here. So I've entered my password and my phone number. I want to click on verify that I'm a human, which is success. So I'm going to click here that says login so that I can be able to log in this particular site. So this particular page will pop up where you have so many things right here. So you can see here the arrow is pointing, which is personal center. So I want to click on it so that we are going to sign in, because that's what we are going to do first. We are going to sign in this particular platform. So in this page, when you click on it, you are going to come up here where you have the available balance, and you can see here that says sign in. So you can click on it, then you will receive 400 gems for signing in. You can see it is successful, and you can see it brought me back to this place. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here that says tax. You can see here tax center. Let me click on it, and you can see some other things you can also do, which is share the lucky draw. You can see this other one, lucky draw betting. Just like this daily check-in, you can see it is marked that I've done it, and this new user registration. So when you do it, it will also be marked. So let me go out from here and also show you another most important something you need to catch up with, which is here that says invitation reward. You can see here invitation reward. So this is very important because it can also boost your earnings from this platform. I will recommend if you can do it. It's actually very important. You can see this place is where you get your referral link, which is here. You get your referral link here. Then you can also share it with your loved ones, or you share it with your friend, or if you have a platform or you have a group, you can copy this link, click this copy, then you can copy it and share it out. Anybody that registers with your link will actually give you some amount of gem which you can accumulate for free. So you can see that it also have step 1 benefit, you can get it, step 2 benefit, and also step 3 benefit. These are benefits you can also get by referring people. When somebody you refer another person, you can also still get benefits from them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Crypto Updates, and also turn on the notification bell so that once I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. And I just did a tutorial on how you can navigate in this platform. I will do a video or tutorial on how you can also withdraw from this platform. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp platform for more information. Thanks for watching. See you soon.